Hey guys, my name is Daljit Mehta and welcome to Dad TV. In today's episode, we'll be doing a very special car, which is a Lamborghini Gallardo 50th Anniversary Edition. For the 50th Anniversary Edition, Lamborghini made 100 cars around the world, out of which only 3 came to India. And what makes this car special is that generally Lamborghini Gallardos are in all-wheel drive config, and this one is a rear-wheel drive, and that's what makes it special. It has a Superleggera era wing and few other parts which I'll be telling you later on in the blog. So this car belongs to a very good friend of mine, Sanket Pate, who has a passion for cricket and cars. And back in 2018, we had wrapped it in a very unique wrap, which was a red chrome with black tribal design. And now it's back again for a very different unique wrap. Stay tuned for it. So guys, let me update you. We've already done the first layer. Let me show it across to you. So this is the first wrap, first design which is done. Now on top of this, Farad, can I have that? Thank you. So this is the design which will be executed in 2 stages. First, the car is wrapped in this green. Then second is the black. And let me show you how we are putting it on the car. अब्रार भाई, अभी आप कितने साल से रैप कर रहे हो?
बस अपने को तो भाई जब से अभी घड़ी ने 6 साल हो गए, 8-10 साल
8-10 साल 8-10 साल तो मुझे लगता है अब्रार भाई आपको मेरे साथ हो गए।
हाँ।
डीएडी में काम करके हम लोग ऑलमोस्ट हो ही गए, 10 साल तो उन्हें आ गए।
बराबर। जब से अपना डीएडी है तब से अपने को रैप करे।
अभी आप बताओ मुझे, आपके अतरंगी क्या क्या गाड़ी आपने रैप की है?
अतरंगी गाड़ी, अतरंगी जैसे कि अपने इतना काम कर चुके थे। अपना प्लेन हो गया, सिल्वर क्रोम अपने प्लेन रैप किए थे, वो एकदम अतरंगी काम था अपना। तुम धूप में और रैप कर रहे हो और वो फुल शाइन कर रहा है, सिल्वर क्रोम मार धूप में, वो था। और अपना हेलीकॉप्टर जो रैप किए थे, रैप करके उसके ऊपर जो ग्राफिक्स किए थे पूरा अपने, वो बहुत एकदम अलग टफ काम था एकदम।
वो अभी एक्चुअली लोगों ने अभी तक देखी नहीं है।
अच्छा,
वो अभी सूर्यवंशी पिक्चर जब
हाँ,
रिलीज होगी तभी लोगों को पता लगेगा।
बराबर। वो जब पिक्चर आएगी तब लोग देखेंगे कि वो क्या काम हमने क्या क्या किए उसके ऊपर, एकदम एकदम एंटीक काम।
और उसको छोड़ के कौन सा गम्बॉल वाली 911 हार्ट थी ये?
गम्बॉल वाली नहीं, वो तो गम्बॉल वाली 911 सबसे टफ गाड़ी वही थी अपने को, क्योंकि उसका जो मटेरियल था, जो शेड था, उसका कलर शेड, वो एकदम अलग ही
वो ऐसी मटेरियल कभी बना ही नहीं था ना गाड़ी रैप के लिए। वो साइनेज वाइनेज के हिसाब से था वो।
बराबर। वो और दूसरी चीज उसके अंदर जो ग्राफिक्स थी साथ में लेना, वो और बहुत इसमें
कितने दिन लगे थे हम लोग को रैप करने में?
उसमें अपने को महीना भर चला गया था आराम से, महीना भर चला गया। और प्लस वो रमजान के टाइम में थी गाड़ी, और ज़्यादा मतलब उसके ऊपर डबल मेहनत लग गई थी हम लोगों की। डे नाइट करते हुए अपन काम कर रहे थे उसके ऊपर। So guys, I think we are almost done with the car. It's time to call Sanket.
So Sanket is a very old friend of mine. I know him since, I think Sanket, I met you in Pune, right? So basically I had a stall at this Indian Luxury Expo in Pune where I was showcasing DAD brand. That time I remember you walked in and this was the first time I saw, and you know, trust me, this is the craziest thing I've ever seen, someone coming to the expo and just buying a car at the expo. Is it? Yeah. No? Yeah, bro. Kunal told me that time I spoke to Kunal and Kunal is like, dude, I sold one car. Kunal got over excited.
I was shivering. I still remember. Kunal like, let's go for a drive. Like, are you sure? Like, yeah. But I don't know how to drive this car. Kunal like, don't worry, I'm there next, right next to you. So that was the first time I sat in that car. As soon as I sat in the car, I started shivering. I was like, fuck man, this is my dream car. And this is the first time I'm going to drive.
Like, chalo, you were shivering.
Yeah.
But how was your experience driving? First time ever drive a Lamborghini.
I can't just say it in a word. I can't just express it, but it was the best time of my life. And
that time you decided that you want.
I want this car. Yeah. I was lucky to get that Lamborghini. It was 50th anniversary Gallardo, which on Lamborghini's 50th anniversary they made 100 cars.
That's a really special car.
Yeah, it is still a really special car. And
Wow. So it's been like now how many years you own this car?
7 years.
7 years. In 7 years, and you've driven in Pune. I remember in one of our drives we went to Goa.
Yeah. So the story is that, you know, when you're having a sports car और हमारा खुद का group नहीं होएगा तो कोई मजा नहीं.
Barabar.
So we had made this group, sports car group, and
We bought how many? 9 Lamborghinis?
I think we had 9. I think more we had.
So there were 14 supercars which drove down from Bombay to Goa, and Sankit met us on Pune highway. And I still remember you were standing on the highway, and I had come down, and we all were super excited. It was crazy
the
thing.
whole trip was so much fun. From
So shit, Sankit, we have had too much fun here. It's been like now more than 5-6 years we know each other. We have done so many drives.
I know, yeah.
And one thing about Sankit is why I really like him is that he's always come to me and he's always been like, no, I don't want a simple color. I want something unique. And he's always been pain in my ass because he is so particular about his design, so particular about his wrap that, you know, if I generally take around 3 to 4 days to wrap a car, I'll take at least a week minimum. It's like I have to I have to do one layer, then uske बाद second layer karo, then I have to do a third layer also.
You're good at it now. That's why. Yeah. Come
That's
on.
what I like also. Yeah, I like my clients coming and challenging me. That's fun. मैं प्रोसेस समझाता हूँ. संगीत का फोन आएगा. संगीत बोलेगा रैप करना है. बोलूँगा ठीक है ब्रो. फोन पे मुझे कुछ ना कुछ समझाएगा जो मेरे सर के पार जाने वाला है. So मैं बोलूँगा चल ब्रो मैं आता हूँ पुणे. Then I drive to Pune just to meet him. To discuss. Then I'll show him all the colors. कि ये ले. All the colors. Hexis, 3M, KPMM. He'll say like, see all the brand. Nah, I don't want this. इसके ऊपर एक कैसा लगेगा?
There was one particular color in his book from this company called Hexis, and every time I looked at that color, I got very attracted to that color, and I was like, Daljit, this. Daljit knew that this color is not available, so he convinced me for 2 hours, bro, that color is not going to look good. See for some other color. I'm very stubborn. So I'm saying this on camera. I'm very stubborn with things I like. So I decided that this is gonna be my color, and this is what I want. Now it's his job. He has to find the color. He goes anywhere or everywhere and find that color for me. And I started imagining things on my car. What should be the designs from movies, from Google, this that. अगले दिन सुबह बराबर तुझे फोन आ जाता है. भाई ये गाड़ी करनी. You'll be like, yeah, okay, no problem. I'll get all my designers on the platform. सोच के बोलना. Then Farhad comes in picture. I give my full time to Farhad. It takes 2 months to make this design, and finally every time, like the last to last time, we do it. We do the best design, we print it, and we meet. I think Farhad also took a lot of effort because this was his 17th design after my 17th rejection and after my 17th fight with Daljit. कि भाई बस हो गया, कर ले फाइनल, खत्म कर. But no, even he knew and even Farhad knew that whatever is going on, it's gonna be perfect.
So guys, it's been a long journey. Let's talk about the old design.
I mean, the design journey did start a few years ago when Sanket made us do the first wrap, and it was definitely set a precedent and a bar for these type of concepts which are really out there and like are showstoppers. So we did the red chrome wrap for you, Sanket, and I think you really enjoyed that one.
That was a complete showstopper. Did you took the car to Srinagar with this wrap on, right?
With this wrap on, and
The amount of time and effort spent by you. Farhad used to call me up after my work, like, you have some time? Yeah. So let's finish the design. You know how he used to finish the design? He used to call me on Zoom, he used to share the screen, every point and aspect of the car. We used to, zoom in, select, design it, finish it, and then this part is done, we're not touching this, now we're going back. This is how Farhad has taken effort and finished his design.
The design process was fun, and then the effort
100%.
came on our man's shoulders over here to make this design come to life, because designing something is one part of it and actually getting it to look like that on a car is completely a different ball game.
So they have kept the address from last 2014, and I've always been happy. And when you're giving your expensive cars to someone, you always have this trust issues, and you're always worried about the car. But I've always trusted BAD, and they've never let me down. They've always come up with better things, and I think in future also they'll keep me happy with a lot of new stuffs what they keep on doing.
Thank you so much, bro. That means a lot, buddy.
Okay, that's it. It's time. Let's unveil the car.
Done, bro. Come, let's go. Are you excited, Samir?